Hello everyone, it's Augustine, and today I'm going to show you how to install Kali NetHunter on an Android phone. Actually, this is not a rooted phone. This is an Android phone. This is a Termux Pack 90, and I've just installed and I'm running Kali NetHunter on this phone, actually without rooting the phone. And with this, I can do some wireless attack. I can use nmap. Those are tools that are always in Linux. So today I'm going to show you how to install and run Kali NetHunter on an Android phone, actually without rooting the phone. I haven't rooted this device. They have just installed the Kali NetHunter on this phone, but I haven't rooted this phone. So enjoy the lesson as I walk you through it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Okay, let's get started. First, we are going to our GitHub, search for Termux app, Termux releases, and download any version. I already download the 31 MB AppK. So I'm installing it. Don't install the Termux from Google. So our application is installing now. It will take some time. So after installing, you can the first thing you update, but today let me show you to confirm that you are using Linux. So uname -n, you can see we are using Linux. It's a local host. So I'm going to update the system. This checks for update. Let's check for update. Then after checking for update, I'm going to upgrade. And if it asks you anything, just say yes, type yes and click enter. Then I'm going to do the previous commands, running them at the same time using that command there. So we are upgrading our system. So it's already upgraded. Uname, you're using Linux. So our next step, we are going to install some application that will be used during our work. So first of all, we are going to allow installation using Termux. So you type Termux setup storage. There's a notification that will appear. You allow Termux to install unknown apps from unknown places. Okay, after allowing that, so we are going to install our first. So it's install wget. So wget is installed. So we are going to use wget to install Kali NetHunter. So wget -o install NetHunter -Termux. We are going to copy paste there our link, https://2://MECEZWR. Semicolon. Let's try again. Replace that 0 with an O. It's O, not 0. So as you can see, so we are going to use the command. So com/x install Nethunter Termux. Using the ls command, I'm going to check what we have in our directory, /, then type what's appeared up there, install Nethunter Termux. And you're going to use option 1. Click on option 1, then click enter. This is going to take a while. So go out, grab a cup of coffee, play with your pet, because this installation will take a while. And if you come back and it hasn't completed, please take another cup of coffee. It's coffee break, remember? Coffee break, coffee break, coffee break. So, I hope it has completed after a coffee break. Delete, download, root as files. You'll say no and click enter. So, we have Kali NetHunter installed on our device. So, you can see some options here to start Kali NetHunter type, NH, you can see. So, I'm going to run a simple command, nmap google.com. So after running that, we are going to see which ports are open using nmap command, nmap tool. So with nmap, I will teach you in other classes on how to use nmap and other attacking tools or information gathering tools. As you can see, there's some open TCP here. So after that, let me exit from Kali. So let me exit from there. Let me type Nethunter Kex. We're going to create a Nethunter Kex password. So Nethunter Kex password, pass wd. I'm going to create a password that's HackTech 1234. Then verify the same. No, I'm not going to create a view only. So to start our Nethunter will type Nethunter Kex. App Store to download our Nethunter App Store. After downloading, as you can see, it's downloading. I will install it. It's installing. So you open the app after installing. You can see Nethunter here. This one we'll use for our next lesson. So let's go and search for Nethunter Kex, because that's the one that we are going to use today. Nethunter Kex. Nethunter Kex. So let's download. So you can see how it looks like. I'll download it. It will take some time depending on network. So and I will give permission to NethunterStore to install unknown apps. So go to settings, click go to settings, allow installation, install from unknown apps. It will allow that. After allowing that, it will continue installing. Take some time. Update. Okay, let's open our Nethunter Kex. This is our Nethunter Kex. Allow it. So I'm going to change the port to 5901. It's HackTech 1, 2, 3, 4. Then as you can see, I've changed the port and the username. It's Kali. Okay, then click connect. Now we have Kali NetHunter running in an Android phone, actually without rooting the phone. We can check our application. We have the information gathering tools like nmap. We have the wireless attack. We even have Wi-Fi. So many tools that we'll use in our next lesson. So I'm going to start my terminal. I'm going to type ls to see different directory that I have, pwd to check the current directory that I'm working with.